Hi, today's topic is the wave distortion, and we have three types of distortion of waves that are due to a variation of a characteristic impedance, that is Z naught, and then we have a frequency distortion variation with attenuation, that is alpha, and then a phase distortion due to a variation of phase constants that we call as a beta, and then we have gamma. Gamma equals to alpha plus j beta, and it can be called as a propagation constant, and we have a z naught as a impedance, that is characteristic impedance, and then alpha equals to attenuation, beta equals to phase constant in this transmission lines and RF systems. And we have a three phase of distortion. We have a three distortion for a frequency, and this we have a first for distortion due to characteristic impedance varying with the frequency, and we have z naught formula as root of r plus j omega l and divided by g plus j omega c. We have resistance r, l for inductance, g for conductance, and then c for capacitance. We have z naught equals to, we are taking r and this g with the common, like r divided by g, so that we have r, we can substitute in l divided by r, and we have this, so that r divided by g whole of 1 plus j omega l divided by r, 1 plus j omega c divided by g, and we have we know that l divided by r equals to c plus divided by g. We know this, and we can make this, we can substitute this into this. We will get it 1 plus j omega l divided by r equals to 1 plus j omega c divided by g, so that we will make cancellation. Then characteristic impedance root of r divided by g, angle of 0 is nothing but a 1, so that we will make root of l divided by c, and final form will be this, like. And then frequency distortion, we have a frequency distortion, that is attenuation alpha. The formula of it is alpha equals to root of 1 by 2 of whole of root of r square plus omega square l square into g square plus omega square c square plus r g minus omega square lc. You want to remember this formula whole this semester. And alpha equals to function of frequency, because we have a frequency, we have a distortion in that frequency, so that we have a function for frequency with it's called attenuator. And attenuation meaning is nothing but, and then attenuation meaning is forcefully reduced. Okay, this is forcefully reduced, and we can have a small demonstration of alpha. This is a frequency 1, and this is a frequency 2. This frequency f1 and f2 is being merged into a transmitter tx, and this is rx. Okay, this is tx to rx. This is transmission line, single transmission line, and then if then it has been attenuated, like it has been distorted with f1 and f2, then input signal is not equals to received signal, okay, or output signal. It can be filtered by equalizer. Equalizer is nothing but it will be equalize the distorted waves. Okay, this a frequency and a phase will be inversed of a signal. It will be inversed, like it has a 1. Example, 1 means it will be 0 means it will be 1 in terms of binary or DC or binary. Okay, like this it will be changed into an analog. Okay, and uniform in nature means it will be in then amplitudes are same. Like this is a final it is called as a uniform in nature. And then phase distortion formula is the same. We have now seen that alpha formula or attenuation formula, this is a phase also same, but a small change will be this minus will be introduced because it is a phase distortion. That is attenuation means we want to be add, phase means we want to subtract. That is a simple concept to be observed. And then v equals to omega divided by beta. V is nothing but velocity and omega is equals to nothing but radian or angular velocity, angular acceleration. Some wave will be received fast, some will be delayed. Delay of this phase distortion or delay distortion also it can be called. Some that waves can be very inaccurate, so that this cannot be happen in a video or picture. If we have this phase distortion, then your video will be, example, we are playing an video, here the audio will be there, okay, but here the picture will be formatted like picture 1 2 3 frames. This frame will be starting here, but our audio quality will be starting here. The lag, this lag is called phase distortion. Okay, thank you friends, we will see with next concept. Bye.